Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I am Tracy. In the pursuit of eternal youth and radiant skin, the answer may lie not in expensive creams or invasive procedures, but rather in the nourishing power of superfoods. Collagen, the building block of youthful skin, naturally diminishes with age, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and loss of elasticity. However, by incorporating 6 powerful superfoods into your diet, you can boost collagen production by up to 200%, unveiling a rejuvenated, youthful complexion. 1. Spirulina. This blue-green algae is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Spirulina contains high levels of vitamin E and selenium, which protect the skin from oxidative stress and promote collagen synthesis. Additionally, its abundance of chlorophyll detoxifies the skin, leaving it refreshed and rejuvenated. 2. Alfalfa. Often dubbed the father of all foods, alfalfa is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and magnesium. These nutrients work synergistically to support collagen production and promote skin repair. Alfalfa's detoxifying properties also help purify the skin, resulting in a clearer, more youthful complexion. 3. Kale. As a nutritional powerhouse, kale is renowned for its high vitamin C content, essential for collagen synthesis. Additionally, kale contains sulforaphane, a compound that activates enzymes in the body to protect against UV radiation and environmental damage. Incorporating kale into your diet can help maintain firm, youthful skin while defending against premature aging. 4. Bell peppers. Vibrant and colorful, bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a key role in collagen formation. Vitamin C also helps protect the skin from oxidative stress and sun damage, preserving its youthful appearance. Including bell peppers in your diet can promote smoother, firmer skin with reduced fine lines and wrinkles. 5. Carrots. Bursting with beta-carotene, carrots are converted into vitamin A in the body, essential for skin health and collagen production. Vitamin A promotes cell turnover, helping to reveal fresher, more youthful skin. Carrots also contain antioxidants that protect against free radical damage, ensuring a radiant complexion. 6. Flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for maintaining skin hydration and elasticity. Omega-3 acids also help reduce inflammation and support collagen production, resulting in plumper, more youthful-looking skin. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet can help nourish and rejuvenate your skin from within. By incorporating these 6 superfoods into your diet, you can unleash the power of nature to boost collagen production and achieve younger-looking skin. With their abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these superfoods nourish and protect your skin from the inside out, helping you to maintain a radiant, youthful glow for years to come. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos of mine.